We'll guide you through how to fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Instagram users want to upload videos in better quality and enhance their stories with music or stickers, but do not know how to adjust the settings. Beginners especially need simple guidance. First, open your Instagram on your phone to begin the process. Log into your account by typing in your email and password carefully into the required fields. Once you have entered your details, you may click Login to move forward and access your account. After the app loads completely, tap your profile picture on the bottom right corner to open your profile page. From there, look for the 3 straight lines at the top right corner and tap on it to open the menu. Next, scroll down through the list until you find data usage and media quality settings. If you prefer a faster way, you can type the setting name in the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you find it, press it to open the settings page. After that, look at the media upload quality option displayed on the screen. Turn on the upload at highest quality setting so your videos will be clearer when posted. After enabling it, press the arrow at the top left corner to go back to the profile view. Then, tap the plus sign at the top left corner and choose the story option to begin creating a new story. Next, select the video you want to post from your gallery by tapping on it. Once the video is added, you can add music or a sticker if you want to enhance your story. Take a moment to adjust everything so it looks and sounds good. Before posting, review your video to ensure it appears clear and properly edited. If needed, make any final adjustments before continuing. Once you are satisfied with the result, post it by clicking the button at the bottom of the screen. Wait for the upload process to complete so your story becomes visible to your followers. Following these steps will help you upload higher quality stories consistently. Practicing this process regularly will improve your confidence and help you create more professional and engaging Instagram content over time.